Welcome viewers to Biafra Battle Cry TV. Biafra is our religion, and here in Biafra is where we worship. We are loyalists to the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. We also vehemently reject any activity of the evil beast, the commander-in-chief of Gunmen in Exile, self-acclaimed prime terrorist, who specialized in kidnapping innocent people in Biafra land in the name of IPOB. The prime terrorist has came up heavily to send precaution to anybody that should go against Fulani herdsmen is a terrorist. We shall be bringing to you the bunch of lies from the prime terrorist about how he has been deceiving Biafran people and compromising Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's manifesto. Now listen. Please share, like, and subscribe to our channel. See you soon on another video. Thanks for watching.
Uprooted the people in the bush. If you go after ethnic group in the name of Fati Fulani, you are a terrorist. This is the international law that many idiots don't know. If you go after Fulani in the forest in the name of fighting terrorism.
Come up. Because in the bay, one night working. Obanalende kidnappers na Ajali. About the leader charger. With the Ozo Leonard. Nke na-go anidimezi n'Enugu na-agba so ha dị mmadụ ịtọ ka achị gaba ofu onye bụ Ozo Leonard na onye nke na afụ now with one other person akwa nna m odika na akpịa a na-akpọ Chiemelie from isi okwe ndebe uze ndụ so dịka unu si afụ ka kidnapụrụ ha na-aba ime ọhịa onye nke abịa mere escape wee were ọsọ were ọkpa wee beruo owu ya ebe akpụ ndị nke ọzọ amara ebe akpụrụ ha wee jebe onye na-elekọta ya n'ọbụ CS aka m oyi so one brother kọwara anyị ihe melụnụ ebe nje ịchụ aja na Ajali
anyị jere Ajali ije chụcha aja ka anyị chụchara aja na-agbagotezi ugwu site aka ike ebe anyị ka anyị ligotefu ugwu ndị Fulani kpụrụ egbe chichi anyị n'ụzọ na ya anyị down a na-alụ ma fonu mma ego m niile so anyị ka ebe anyị si anyị si na aja ka anyị jere ije chụ asị ọkwa anyị wakpo ndị ahụ anyị so ndị na-eje mmiri anyị agba ọgwụ ịchụ ha asị na ọgwụ anyị so ka anyị na-ekwu ka anyị na-egbu anyị mma n'alụ n'akụkọ anyị ma isi chekụta azụ ma efu ya ma n'onu ma n'ụkwụ ihe ebe a isi ebe a bụ Steve wee kpọrọ anyị sị anyị jee gosi ha dị aja anyị chụrụ anyị jewe n'ime mmiri gosicha ha aja niile anyị chụrụ asị anyị ewe mee ka ọkpọ isi ha ewe mee ka si anyị cross mmiri gbagwe side ime ọfịa cross asị anyị kpọọ isi because mụ na anọ Hausa but not Fulani but ka a na-asụ the Fulani atụrụ Hausa ndụta kpọọ ndị isi kpọọ isi ha kpọọ ndị onye isi ha ya ma onye ọ bụ na-asị ha na ọkwa ndị eji onye isi ha sị ha kpọrọ ha jee ebe amara m ka esi so ha kpụrụ anyị gbagwe n'ime ọfịa tiri afụ na ogbe ikulu go down no wele ndị nọ n'ọfịa akpọrọ anyị gaa n'ime ọfịa anyị nọrọ ebe I lie down for 2 hours n'ime ọfịa ebe ahụ mmụọ na ọzọ ya na-atara anyị ewute big anyị na-atara anyị eju ha ka ego ha chọrọ a na-ekwu dị ma anyị na-ekwu dị sef ka anyị na-egbu anyị mma eji mma dịka mgbe isi ma ụkwụ ndị n'ụkwụ m niile asị na nke eji ego anyị eme si anyị kwuo okwu ọzọ na ege ozugbo ka anyị na-eche ebe ahụ then ha mekwa the second call the one person go the check go the areas bata si na everywhere dey clear ka anyị na-eme the second call bịata asị ha so the Fulani so ha na Fulani but mụ anụkwụrụ obele Hausa ha so ka Fulani na mix ya otu mụ Hausa si oyisi ha si ya makwali that ebe ha na-egbufu ndị mmadụ isi then akwachie ahụ ndị ahụ ya bụ ndị sef egbutewe ego isi ga-eji kwachie ahụ ha na ọha because I know that surely na ọzọ niile dị na-eto na Chiemere ga-abatalili so ka anyị na-eme nshi Chiemere that's the second guy mụ na ha so ọ ya wabụla anyị na bike sef na bike nke ya isi anụ mụ ga-agbakwa ọsọ na m ga-agba ọsọ kama ndị a ga-ebe m mma n'onu kama na ha gbaa m egbe kama ndị a ga-agba m egbe kama ndị a ga-ebe m mma n'onu ga-ebefu m isi ha gbaa m egbe ọ kama na mgbọ gburu m danụ mma bufu m isi say a big sin, my meeting, and under Jabber. How am I sound? No. Can you was I get up? I was any more of your table and sin that no, come on and down by my work and walk neighbor than heavily me than for them to behead me in Siamba. Before any come also. Now, what kind of so and cause up when I say I beat them, ya beat them, and about more. Lieutenant minutes when the million to I well done. Oh, can not name the one email. Just no labor. So come on, no million boom or you open a boom than that. No labor for some time. So no food on that. I just man so do no. So from something when it see. Silu swear patani millions. No cool me. Off ya the memory, see about after the guy by one crocodile was lean or there. I'm not to be as Slava and patani memory, but also need more fear. And also, that. I'm not my ben now, budget. Weft no go mala. No go mala. Well, from the mother, what I am a bunetem and a webinetem or how I buneted, remember bunete. Or track at the team. She may go charge.
ndị be anyị na-anụgo dịka o si okwu na yawa emega escape n'aka ndị ahụ wee gbanata then ọ fọdụziri man na abụ ọzọ Leonard na Nneto and Chiemelie Uzendụ ọ ha bụ ndị akpọrọ wee naba so ha bụ ndị anyị ga-ekwu ozi anyị ga-esi wee jide chọọ dịka unu si anụ ụna anụgo from the horse's mouth biko ịba anyị ụna ahụ na Hausa abatago ọka ka anyị ma na ife anyị ga-eme ndị aka ma ka anyị kinye n'ụla
go after a group in the name of Fulani. You are a terrorist. This is the international law that many idiots don't know. You go after Fulani in the forest in the name of fighting terrorism.
Biafra. Onye ọbụla pụtara na-ezu ohi na-agba ama na-atụrụ ndị mmadụ na-eme ihe niile ndị a niile kwere na oyi IPOB onye abụ onye ohi ka ọ bụ obi ka mmadụ. We are here to fight for freedom, for justice, equity, and fairness. That's what we're fighting for. Nothing more, nothing less. And we cannot be cowed by anybody. We are without fear before our enemies. And we speak the truth always. I want all the journalists here arrayed to go and ask government of Nigeria, what happened to treasonable felons? Where are those charges today?
From 2015.
They have just disappeared because they have no evidence against me. Anybody committing crime cannot go scot-free. I swear it. They cannot go scot-free. Anybody involved in any type of crime in the East cannot go free. And they're doing it because I'm in DSS. That's what if I said no idiot can try this rubbish, and they know it very well. They know it very well. And I suspect that some people in government are complicit. Yes. They are making money with insecurity.
That's correct.
They're making money with it. They know now the cannon is outside. In 2 minutes, this nonsense will stop. Who is the idiot? Who is the bagger? That will speak when I'm talking. Who is the fool? Who is the idiot? I ask. That I give an order in the East, and any idiot will counter it. Who is the bastard? I'm asking you. Nobody can.
Sir, are you
I'm on the cannon. Who is the idiot?
No, don't. No, man.
What is it?
Can you tell us the ongoing killings in the East in the name of IPOB? What is your stand on that?
Anybody involved in any form of violence or insecurity in the Southeast
In the name of IPOB.
in the name of IPOB is a gunner, and they know it. Let me come out of this nonsense, this mess. 2 minutes only.
There will be peace
Only 2 minutes, I guarantee you.
and tranquility.
And there will be peace in the East, not just Southeast. Everywhere in the East, if not the entire South. Huh?
Yes.
What is it? Calendar. No, I want the hand. One here. There will be justice. There will be justice. There's nothing under heaven. I'm going to get more Japan. Who is the part? So there's nothing under heaven that cannot be revealed. Are you getting? Whoever plays the role he plays. If man does not see the person, God sees the person, and God will bring that person to judgment. Whoever is doing what he judges, that's all.
Biafra did not come. These are people without vision, people that doesn't know their left and their right. They started using den gun, going to bushes to start shooting animals in the name of chasing Fulani. We are not chasing any ethnic group from our land. I have made it very clear. If you go after ethnic group, you become a terrorist. We are not going after ethnic groups. We are going after the terrorist army, police, and every Nigerian forces that carries gun. That is the people we are going after. Because once you go after them, you have uprooted the people in the bush. If you go after ethnic group in the name of Fati Fulani, you are a terrorist. This is the international law that many idiots don't know. If you go after Fulani in the forest in the name of fighting terrorism, Biafra will come. Biafra that Wazirike did not declare since 1999. I'm going to declare it between 2022 and 2023. The Biafra that it could not get from 1967 is this Amonepa that is going to declare it between 2022 and 2023. All of you are just very idiotic.
They know that there's nothing. But we thought that there was things going on because monies were being contributed. But when we realized that nothing was going to happen, we backed out and said, no, this is wrong. Now, those of you that came out to condemn us, you can see that the whole thing is happening. For he has told you that if Ojukwu could not give you Biafra, Raf Wazirike could not give you Biafra, how do you expect him to give you Biafra? That's what he told you, that you are very stupid. That's what he said, you are very stupid. So, the problem is that you don't want to use your head to understand what is going on. You are just going to bed to sleep. Carry all your hopes and put on one man and say he will give us, I will sleep in Nigeria, wake up in Biafra tomorrow. How foolish are you? For America, in all their sophistication and knowledge, they still strategize, they plan a program. They plan it very, very well. Do rehearsals, and then they go at it. They have elite squad. They have the Marines, top, high quality trained people for specific purposes. They don't underrate anybody. But you will be there. You don't have anything. You're underrating people, and you're telling somebody, I am going to bomb also Rock and make sure nobody comes out. That is noise you make so that those Biafrans who don't have understanding say, yes, it's a person. Oh no, you can't do it. And because you don't have the arsenal, they take advantage of.
Enwani Boni si I want to. Him on home why now. I didn't can wake up a part. Where's the capital Gorgi? And this state, Nando Hanese, Munai Beleba. He will manage it that. No, near. Cabin, my name, oh, and now.
There won't. Okay, they will. If you know,